to an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, Australia. Australian shares are set to fall at the open this morning, and that's in line with global markets as liquidity concerns in the banking sector sour risk appetite, while local tech stocks might drop on Wall Street's weaker close last week. The SPI futures are pointing to a 1.4% fall. On Friday, the Australian share market closed 0.4% higher at 6,995. In business news from this morning now, Australian Clinical Labs today announced its intention to make an off-market takeover bid to acquire all of the fully paid ordinary shares on issue in Healius. The pathology firm said it will offer 0.74 share for every one Healius share in a $1.52 billion deal. Australian Clinical Labs is a leading private provider of pathology services in Australia. They have 86 NATA accredited labs. Healius is one of Australia's leading healthcare companies, providing specialty diagnostic services to consumers. And AMP today announced that it has moved to the first stage of the partial sale completion with Dexus. The sale and transfer of the AMP Capital Real Estate and Domestic Infrastructure Equity business to Dexus Funds Management will occur on the 24th of March, Friday next week. This is after both parties entered into an unconditional agreement on a revised transaction structure for the sale of the business. At first completion, AMP will receive a payment of around $337 million from Dexus. Evolution Mining has started underground production at its Cowal operation ahead of schedule. This is 3 months ahead of previously announced original schedule of the June 2023 quarter. The project remains within the original $380 million budget. The first underground stope is being mined and processed this month, with continued ramp-up of the underground expected over the remainder of this financial year. It's time for a short break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. On Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 1.19%. The S&P 500 slid 1.1%, while the Nasdaq was down 0.74%. Across the Atlantic and European markets closed lower. London's FTSE fell over 1%. Frankfurt lost 1.3%, while Paris closed 1.4% lower. In Asian markets, Tokyo's Nikkei added 1.2%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng gained 1.6%, while China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.7% higher. Gold ended up 2.6% at $1,920 an ounce, and WTI crude ended down 2.4% at 67.61 US cents. Bitcoin futures rose 6% to above $27,000 for the first time since June. Well, that's all from our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.